In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive can't open file error. We're going to walk through this step by step, starting with a simple restart and working our way up to a full reset if needed. Let's begin by restarting and reconnecting OneDrive. Click Start on the Windows taskbar. Then type OneDrive into the search bar. From the search results, click OneDrive to launch it. If a OneDrive sign-in window appears on your screen, click Sign In and complete the Microsoft account sign-in by entering your credentials. After that, wait patiently until the OneDrive cloud icon shows up in the taskbar notification area in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once OneDrive is running, we need to check its status and test the problem file. If you don't see the cloud icon, click Show Hidden Icons on the right side of the Windows taskbar to reveal it. Now click the OneDrive cloud icon to open the panel. If the panel says syncing is paused, go ahead and click Resume Syncing inside that panel. If instead it says the account is not connected, click Sign In within the panel and complete the sign in process again. Next, open File Explorer from the Windows taskbar. In the left navigation pane, click OneDrive to view your synced folders. Find the file that originally showed the error and double-click it. If the file opens normally, you can stop right here, because the error is already fixed. If the same error appears again, continue with the next steps. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's download the affected file directly to this PC so it's fully available offline. In File Explorer, right-click on the file that's still giving you the error. From the right-click menu that appears, click Always Keep on this device. This will take a short moment to process, so we'll skip ahead. Wait until the file status icon changes to a green check mark, which means it's fully downloaded. Once you see the green check mark, double-click the file again. If it opens properly this time, you're done. If the file still refuses to open, move on to the next step. Our next fix is to reset the OneDrive Sync app using the official reset command. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the Open field, carefully type the following path: %localappdata %, then \Microsoft, \OneDrive, \ondiv.ec, then a space, then /reset. Take your time entering this exactly as shown. Once you've typed it in, click OK in the Run dialog to execute the command. If you happen to get an error message, just click OK to dismiss it. Then paste the alternate command paths shown on my screen and try that one to reset OneDrive. I'll also drop both command paths in the pinned comments below for easy copying. After running the reset, wait for the OneDrive cloud icon to disappear from your taskbar and then return. This usually takes a few seconds. If the OneDrive cloud icon doesn't come back after about 1 minute, click Start on the Windows taskbar. Type OneDrive into the search bar, and click OneDrive in the search results to launch it manually. Finally, let's verify that the file opens properly after the reset. If the cloud icon is hidden, click Show Hidden Icons on the right side of the Windows taskbar. Then click the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar notification area. Confirm that the panel no longer shows a disconnected or paused state, and that everything looks healthy. Now click File Explorer on the Windows taskbar, and in the left navigation pane, click OneDrive. Find the affected file and double-click it one more time. The OneDrive panel should show that syncing is connected or up to date, and the file should open from the OneDrive folder in File Explorer without the Can't Open this file message appearing. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully fixed the OneDrive Can't Open file error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.